ribs in here. I got a couple that were stuck on the beach, and a good Samaritan came along and hooked onto them, tried to pull them out, and it's a 09 Mustang, 08 or 09 Mustang, and ripped the radiator out of the car. That's it up in the dune. We're going to go try and get them pulled out here. Shouldn't be too big a deal. And then we'll get you hooked up and get you on the wheel if you get it out of there. Okay. What is it? Won't be able to turn your air conditioner on. All they got was the AC condenser. It blew a bunch of like white gas out when it blew, didn't it?
Yeah, it was.
No, what those hooks that he was looking at, those are not for towing. That's for tying it down on ships. That's a cargo tie down. Get you right out, no problem. I want to take a video of that where he got you though. What happened was someone hooked onto this Mustang, and there's a cargo tie down right here. They hooked onto it and they pulled and they caught the AC condenser, and when they blew the gas out of the AC condenser, they thought they blew a radiator, but it's just the AC, so they'll be fine. We're gonna find someplace a little bit better than that to hook onto. That's just strictly for tying it down on ships and on railroad cars and stuff. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to dig out. So you actually have way. If I start pointing my wheels this way or that way, just turn them gently whichever way I'm pointing. Okay? Turn them a little bit that way now. No, that way. Right there. You did perfect. Absolutely. You did exactly what you needed to do. People sometimes panic and they start trying to help and they run over the rope, they run over the chains. You did perfect.
Yeah, I'm just looking.
But we won't blame you. We'll blame the guy that ripped that up. I'm off the approach. That's what I'm doing. See you guys. Oh, the Long Beach approach is perfect. They've been, Long Beach has done a pretty good job of maintaining this approach. They've got gravel clear down to the tide line, so it won't be bad for a long time. It looks like Long Beach has been working this approach over pretty good. Downside of that is when the approach is so good, people come out here when the tide's coming in and think the whole beach is like that and discover that there is no beach to drive on.